You know what separates you from marketers out there making six figures online in their spare time? It's simple. They have plenty of converting traffic, and you don't. They're out traveling the world, sitting on the beach, eating at five-star restaurants, while their online business makes them money while they sleep. But you're up until all hours of the night writing articles or recording videos that you hope will get you traffic. You're wasting money on training methods that promise to teach you how to get traffic, but they never do. And you're throwing away your money on complicated software and paid traffic methods that never seem to generate any profit. But what if it didn't have to be that way? What if getting traffic didn't have to be time-consuming, complicated, and expensive? What if you could level the playing field and get all the free traffic you want with just a few clicks of your mouse? The good news is right now there is. We've just released a brand new software called Traffic Takeover that makes it easy as a point and click to get all the free quality traffic you need. Unlike other traffic getting software tools that use super competitive traditional traffic methods, this software is a lot different. It gets you traffic by hacking the system and uses an edgy underground method to steal traffic from other people. Don't worry, even though this is a little sneaky, it's totally legal and amazingly effective. It works by giving you the ability to take over any website you want online. Imagine being able to have a link to your opt-in page, an affiliate offer, or even your own website on high-traffic websites that everyone has heard of. Websites like Amazon, eBay, Forbes, Bloomberg, the BBC, and more. Although you would normally spend thousands of dollars for advertising spots on these websites, with Traffic Takeover, you'll be able to take over any website with just a few mouse clicks. Here's what's possible with Traffic Takeover. Let's say you're promoting an affiliate offer related to weight loss. Imagine being able to take over Shape.com or any popular high-traffic weight loss blog. And then you put your own affiliate link right in that website. Do you think you'd be able to get a few sales by having your affiliate link on Shape.com? Of course you would. That's why people invest thousands of dollars to put ads on these websites. But with Traffic Takeover, you don't have to invest a dime of your own money to have your link on the world's biggest websites. That's because you can literally take over any web page you want for massive traffic with just a few mouse clicks. Imagine having your link on sites like CNN, ESPN, Huffington Post, Forbes, or any other website you want. With Traffic Takeover, it only takes a few clicks of your mouse to take over any website. So you can stop stressing about writing articles, creating videos, running Facebook ads, and crossing your fingers that the traffic will start flowing. With Traffic Takeover, you'll be able to just skip straight to the part where you get traffic and make money. You can use Traffic Takeover to get traffic in any niche, to any kind of offer you want. Traffic Takeover works great for affiliate offers, CPA offers, e-com, building your list, and even selling your own products. If you need traffic, this push-button software gives you everything you need to get fast, free traffic and make money. Just like the super affiliates and gurus out there living the laptop lifestyle. But you don't need online experience, a big list, or even a list at all. Traffic Takeover works for anyone, even newbies. Because of the easy-to-use dashboard inside the software, you can start getting traffic within minutes from now in just 3 simple steps. Step number 1, install the Traffic Takeover plugin. Step number 2, follow the simple instructions inside the software to take over any website online with just a few mouse clicks. Step number 3, sit back as you get free traffic, hot leads, and make sales on autopilot. It doesn't get easier than this. With Traffic Takeover, you're able to profit from the hard work of someone else with just a few clicks of your mouse. Traffic Takeover is loaded with features designed to give you everything you need to start taking over websites for easy, free traffic and money in your pocket right away. Create web pages on the fly using someone else's content. Imagine being able to use high-quality content from the world's best websites as your own. Long gone are the days of slaving away, creating videos, and writing articles. With Traffic Takeover, all you have to do is find some quality content, take it over, and use it as your own. Plus, you can also create full-page pop-ups that make it easy to take over any website and show the visitor your offer or opt-in page. By doing this, you're taking over the authority that website has worked so hard to build, because the visitor will think that pop-up window comes from that website. This means better conversions and easy opt-ins and sales for you. The full-screen pop-up feature included inside Traffic Takeover is fully customizable with your own text, links, opt-in pages, redirect the visitor anywhere you want them to go, or even add videos to the full-screen pop-ups. You have total control of what the visitor sees, giving you multiple ways to make easy money. And you control when the pop-up is shown by using the built-in timer or exit pop technology. And that's just the beginning. With Traffic Takeover, you can create access gates that require someone to opt into your list or take action on an offer before they can view content on any site. This is great for promoting CPA offers or for building your own list packed with hot leads. You can even use the Access Gate feature to get free viral traffic by requiring a visitor to share the page on social media before they can access content. Imagine this scenario. Someone goes to view a link containing an article they want to read or an awesome video. But before they can access it, they must first share it via social media. Within minutes, you'll have a flood of free traffic that just keeps growing on autopilot. This is powerful and gives you a massive edge that will quickly put a lot of money in your pocket. And it keeps getting better. You could take over a website and add your Facebook Messenger button right there on the page, so you can talk to visitors on that page. Link that button to any of your Facebook fan pages and easily siphon off leads, traffic, and sales. This is an awesome feature for landing high-ticket sales, selling services, or building up the authority of your own Facebook pages overnight. And if you want to crush it as an affiliate marketer, with the push of a button, you can take over any website you want and replace all the links on that site with your affiliate links. This makes it easy to rake in massive affiliate commissions with just a point and click of your mouse. And don't worry about using this tool. It's easy. Everything inside Traffic Takeover is simple to set up in just minutes. No tech skills, coding, or online marketing experience required. If you can point and click your mouse, you have everything you need to take over any website online within minutes. This is the most feature-rich software of its kind online. There are no software tools out there that do everything that Traffic Takeover will do for you. Of course, the best part about Traffic Takeover is the price. Because this software gives you the ability to instantly take over any website for tons of free traffic, hot leads, and easy money in your pocket, we set the price at $47 per month. At that price, it makes total sense because it only takes a sale or two per month, and the software will have paid for itself and then some. And with the ability to instantly take over any website you want, you'll be getting a lot more than 1 or 2 sales per month. Although $47 per month is a no-brainer, you're not going to pay anywhere near that today. In fact, when you get Traffic Takeover right now, we've waived the monthly fee, so you can get Traffic Takeover for a low one-time investment. To take advantage of this special discount, all you have to do is click the button below now. But we must warn you, if you close this page without getting Traffic Takeover, you run the risk of paying a lot more for access or having to pay monthly. Although it's worth much more than we're charging right now, why pay more than you have to? Especially since we're including money-making bonuses valued at thousands of dollars for free when you get Traffic Takeover right now. And because we don't want anything to hold you back from getting Traffic Takeover right now, we'll give you a full 30 days to test drive this push-button software to really make sure this is for you. We're willing to absorb all the risk on this because we know that once you start using this to take over any website online, This levels the playing field and gives you an unfair advantage that makes getting free traffic that turns into hot leads and big commissions easy. If you're tired of working tirelessly to try to get traffic, you're frustrated with using traditional methods that take forever or require to create videos, write articles, or post all over social media, and you're looking for a shortcut to all the converting free traffic you could ever want, then you owe it to yourself to get Traffic Takeover right now. Click the button below right now for instant access to Traffic Takeover.